Hello soulmates, welcome back to my channel. Here is the outcome of the dress we drafted last week, and this is the sewing tutorial. So I made this dress for myself and you can see how beautiful it looks on me. So let's get started. For my front piece, I have 3 pieces and we're going to be joining the sides together. So I'm going to use 1/2 inch to sew on this front piece. For my back piece, I'm going to be imputing my dart of 1/2 inch on the 2 sides of the back piece. Now after imputing my dart, this is what the back piece looks like. And this is my front piece. After joining this front piece, I had some excess at the top because I joined from the bottom all the way to the top. So I'm just going to trim out that excess. Now for the neckline, I'm going to come down by 3 inches and we're going to connect to get the neckline on the thumbnail. After connecting, I'm going to trace this out. After cutting, this is the new neckline we have for the front piece. I'm just going to cut out facing for the front and the back. I'll place the back facing on the back pattern as shown, and I'm going to be stitching this up. And I'll do the same thing for my front piece. Now after stitching, this is what it is looking like. I went ahead to give this a good press, and here is my back pattern. I'll place the front piece right side facing the back piece, and I'm going to be joining the shoulders with 1/2 inch. Now after joining, this is what the neckline is looking like. I also went ahead to give this a good press. I'll place the back and front piece aside, and we're going to be working on the sleeve. Now for the sleeve, I'm going to be using this piece. I'll fold it into 2 and further fold it again into 4, and we're going to be cutting the sleeves together, the both sleeves. So I just mark the length of my sleeve plus 1 inch allowance for the elastic casing. So I'm just going to roll this out with a straight line. Now after connecting, I came down by 3 inches for my bicep line, and also I'm taking my round sleeve measurement plus some allowance. Here I have 2 sleeves, and I'm going to be folding with 1 inch for my elastic casing. Also, after folding, I'm going to insert my elastic and also attach it to the upper part of my dress. Here, after attaching my sleeves, I'm going to be closing the sides of my upper bodice. Now for the bottom part of my dress, I have this 2 long piece here, and I'm going to close it by the side and gather it. Now this is my upper part, the upper part of my dress, and this is what it is looking like. Now I'm going to take my gathers and I will be placing it on top of my upper bodice to get a complete dress. So after gathering what I had left of my fabric, this is what the gathers is looking like, and it is very full. I'll take the upper part and sew this down with my gathers. Now after sewing, this is what the dress is looking like, and we are 95% done with this dress. You can see how full and how beautiful this dress is. So this is the back of the dress. I'm just going to go ahead and add my zipper to this dress, and this will be all for the sewing of this beautiful dress. Please, if you've watched this video to this point, do not forget to subscribe, hit on the like button, and also share. Drop your comments in the comment section, and we'll be recreating another style next week. Here is the final outcome. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in my next one.